Hi everybody, Miss Sierra here with Miss.
Hi, it's Miss Alicia.
We talked this morning about how, well, today's Monday, first of all. We talked about our weather and how it's chilly and frosty, but the sun was out. And this afternoon, it's so much warmer.
Oh, it is so nice. You know, some of my friends, when they play outside, they didn't need their coat because it was warm.
We put our coats in our book bags today for the ride home.
Yeah,
So,
we did.
we didn't talk about something. We'll talk about it more tomorrow, too. But we're going to talk about a change in the seasons. So, yesterday, Sunday, it was this season. It's that season where it's hot all the time, and maybe you go to the beach and you play in the water.
Maybe you don't go to school either.
Oh, you don't go to school in this season? This is the summertime season.
I love summer. It's so nice. But it's not my favorite.
It's not my favorite either. Do you want to know what my favorite is?
What's your favorite?
This one that we're in now as of today.
Oh, me too. I love this one.
All right, so let's see what this guy's doing in our picture. So this guy, he's raking some orange, yellow, and brown leaves. He seems to have a sweatshirt and some long pants on. What season could this be?
What season is that? It's my favorite.
Yes,
But friends, what is it? What season is it?
it's the fall.
Oh, I love the fall.
So we're going to talk about our season, the fall, a little bit today.
Did you know, Miss Sierra, there's another word for fall?
There is.
There is.
Well, let me write down fall.
We have to write fall down.
Starts with an F. Fall. What is the other word?
It is the word, it starts with an A,
An A.
and it's the word autumn. Autumn means fall. I wonder, babe. Can I put it up there? Can we see? There's a glare. Oh no. Here, you know what? Miss Sierra, I'm gonna pull it up. There we go.
Oh, we'll just move it for a
I'll
second.
just move it up for a second. It's fall and autumn. That is what that picture is. We'll bring it back down.
Awesome. All right, so we're going to talk a little bit about what happens in the fall. So, in our picture, we have our guy raking leaves. So that means what happens to the leaves in the fall?
What happens to the leaves? Where are they normally? They're up in this
Way up high.
big thing. What is it? They're up in a tree.
And they're the color green. They're
Yeah.
green. And then, once it starts to get a little colder outside,
What happens to them?
I'm going to change my color.
Oh, yeah.
here. I'm going to change to purple.
Okay. They start to come down from the trees, right? What do? They
Fall.
fall.
Leaves change colors and fall.
Leaves change colors and fall. Yeah. What colors? Now, if you look out right now, because it's the first day of fall, there still might be some green leaves out there. But I do see a few trees out there that are starting to change color. I saw some pretty colors. What colors do you see on the trees? I saw some red and oranges. Very pretty.
Yeah, I've seen some red and orange too. They turn red and orange first, and then they turn brown when they're about to fall.
Yeah.
All right. So it was chilly this morning, right? So it gets a little colder in the mornings in the fall. So we have cold morning.
Yep. And by the afternoons, it might be a little bit warmer. You know what I like to call this weather? It's my sweatshirt weather. Miss Alicia will always have a sweater on or some sort of like hoodie or jacket. I always love to wear like sweatshirts and be cozy.
I'm going to write sweater weather. over
Sweater
here.
weather. It is sweater weather. You will see. It will be beautiful. I love the sweater weather. What else can we do in fall? You know what, Miss Sierra?
What's that?
I think there are some different things we can do, like activities we could do in the fall.
There are. And we talked about those this
Just
morning.
a little bit
Just
this morning.
touched on when we talked about our letters.
Because we had the letter B today. B. Oh, and Miss Sierra did this weekend. What is that? You remember what she
They're
did?
red and shiny, and they're on trees.
And you eat them.
You can go apple picking.
Apple picking. Love apple picking.
And then there's another thing that we can pick in the fall time. They're on the ground and they're orange and they're big.
Oh, they're so big. I always like to get a big one. You know what that is? You can go pumpkin picking.
Pumpkin picking.
Yeah, pumpkin picking. Those are two fun activities you could do. It's always great to do those on the weekends with your family if you want something to do.
All right, what else happens in the fall?
What else happens in the fall? Well, we have our leaves changing. We have colder mornings. We can do apple picking and pumpkin picking. You know, in the fall, there's also one of my favorite holidays, too.
What is that?
Thanksgiving. The turkeys.
Thanksgiving is in the
You know,
fall.
in the fall, you start to see lots of different animals start coming out. They're looking for food before winter. So you might see some deer out or some turkeys.
I'll write some of our animals over here.
Deer, turkey. Oh, and you know what? I bet you by our next month in October, we're going to start to see some geese in the air flying south before
to warmer weather.
to warmer weather. We'll talk about that a different day.
You know what else we might start seeing in our area?
Ooh.
We might start seeing bears. We have a few bears here and there, but we might start seeing them a little more. So it's possible that
Yeah.
we have to make sure we're safe outside if we
Yep,
do.
some bears. Anything else about fall we need to know?
There's another holiday in fall.
Oh, what is another
It's
holiday?
the last day of October, and it's a Saturday this year.
Oh,
It's the one where we go trick-or-treating.
ooh, what is that? Do you know
we
what it
dress
is?
up, some superheroes and
Oh, do you know what it is?
princesses.
Halloween.
Halloween.
I love Halloween, friends. That's another fun holiday.
Halloween. All right. So I think that'll be it for what we talk about for the fall for now.
Yeah,
Maybe we'll add some stuff later.
we could add some stuff later, or maybe we can, if we learn about something
Yeah.
new, we can add it.
Yeah. All right, friends. We will see you tomorrow morning.